A tongue twister is a phrase or sentence that is intentionally crafted to be difficult to pronounce quickly and correctly. Tongue twisters often use alliteration, rhyme, and other linguistic tricks to create a challenging sequence of sounds. Here are some examples. 1. Percy the python perpetually puckered up a plethora of pickled plums. 2. 6 silly sloths silently slid slowly down slippery slides. 3. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. 4. Freddie fetched fresh fish for Friday's feisty feast. 5. How many hairy hamburgers can Harry handle in his hungry habitat? 6. Lulu's ludicrous lizard learned to label little leather luggage. 7. 7 sleepy snakes slithered silently through the sandy savannah. 8. Crazy creatures caught curious cats in cleverly constructed cages. 9. 33 thirsty thoroughbreds thundered thunderously through the thorny thicket. 10. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked. Try saying those a few times fast and see how quickly you can get your tongue tangled up.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.